Hi guys, so today's video we have a chocolate here. This is Alfredo's chocolate, this tiramisu flavor. We have a cheese flavor and dark chocolate flavor. This is also a kisses, chocolate flavor and milk flavor. So let's start to eat guys. We start here. So, oh, OMG. Oh my God. This is tiramisu flavor. Almond. Love it. Not too sweet, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Love it. So this is see? Wait one more. Bangga. Sarapnya guys. So now we try almond milk. This is almond milk flavor. Almond milk flavor guys. So, love it. Ooh. Little bit bitter, not too sweet. That's one. The chocolate, darkening one. But if me, I like this. One more. Tiramisu guys. Not no the flavor. I think the flavor is the flavor of this plate. This chocolate is love. I love it. So let's start to open this. This is dark chocolate. Alfredo dark chocolate. So let's try if this is good or not. This is dark chocolate. Also got almond inside, but the chocolate used like cacao. Cacao chocolate. I smell the cacao chocolate. It's tiramisu. Ah, cacao. Mm. Yeah, the dark chocolate uses cacao flavor. So, one more. Ayan. Also got almonds inside. Mm. Mm. Cacao, guys. Mm. The smell, that I love the blend of almonds and the cacao, the dark chocolate. Mm. Love it. Mm. Good. So let's start to eat kisses. This is kisses. Mm. Milk, creamy milk. Let's see if this is a creamy milk. Kisses. Hershey's. Mm. The smell, I think smell like olive. I love it. Yes, yes, I love it. That's why I really love it. I love it. One more. This is mm, I got a review guys of this chocolate Alfredo tiramisu guys because I'm not yet first time I ate this type of chocolate, huh? First time I try. Hershey's chocolate. Love it. Cannot cannot control to eat. True. So now this is milk. This is cream cookies. So let's start to open. Kisses chocolate is best. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Mmm. Oh my. Guys, one more. mm. I cannot exchange. You know, guys, white chocolate is a very lovely. mm. Ugly. Mm. Milk. The tiramisu, guys, I love this one. And the dark one. Actually, the cheese one is, hindi ko siya bit, guys. Hindi ko siya bit. I love this one. Pink color. The flavor is really, I love. Blend with the almond, ha? Pero itong cheese flavor, hindi ko siya bit. Also the dark chocolate of Alfredo. Ayan. This is my first time to eat this type of chocolate taste, huh? I review. Mm, all is good, but this two only I like the test one. You're not. Mm. Of course, this two is my favorite Hershey's. Can't stop to eating them. Mm. That's why I always bought like this only. I don't want to buy the big one. Have a big. I always bought like this one. Need to control also to eat chocolate. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. This is Fretes video, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.